how to report ad posts on Instagram. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel, and let's start. First, you will just go and open Instagram, and as you see, when you open your Instagram, for example, you are looking pictures, and for accident you find ad and you want to report it. For example, this, because I don't like it, I will just go here to this 3 point, then I will click report ad. Then they will say why you are reporting this ad. Then I will say the reason. For example, I will click it's spam. Then Instagram community will say thanks for reporting this ad. We'll review the ad to determine whether or violate our ad policy. Thanks for helping us keep Instagram safe. And that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.